Sir, you have been working in this department for the last 37 years. What is your opinion about postal department, sir?
Wonderful, sir. Wonderful. Because I love this department very much. It has been given me an opportunity not only to get myself survived, but also an opportunity to serve the members of public through this India Post. I am very much loved this department, not only love but also having beyond it, beyond anything. I love this department and work sincerely because I am very much interested to work. I am willing to work here. It has been given me an opportunity to serve members of public honestly, hopefully to the maximum core. It is the only department which is serving from top to bottom, Kashmir to Kanyakumari, that too where it cannot be reached any access, where it cannot reach bus, train and many things we are reaching. Our services are reaching and we are making service to the members of public from the bottom of heart, and we are making them happy, delighted with this department so that they will also feel happy to have this facility provided to them by the Department of Post in India.
Sir, while you selected as a steno, there are so many central government departments. So why did you choose this postal department, sir?
Actually, it is also a beautiful question. I like it to intimate you. Thank you for asking me this question. Actually, in my batch, in steno batch, we were 11 members. Out of it, 3 members were selected as steno to judge in court, 3 members telecom department, 2 members private sector, and 2 members in railways, and 2 members in PNT. So one among them, myself. First of all, I thought that 2 are already, I told my income tax department also. I thought that had I been given the chance of working in some other department, railways or something, I would have better, I thought. But after joining this department, I am enjoying here because it is the only department which is having not only the nearest and dearest affinity to work with the members of public from the bottom of the heart. That too sincerely, faithfully, with utmost attachment. So I am very lucky to have this department to work.
Thank you. Sir, okay, sir. Can you tell me a few words about postal life insurance?
Sure, sir. Actually, postal life insurance has been started some 1884. That too only for postal department. The origin is only because during the regime of England people, while they were ruling India, in Calcutta, one postmaster general, Viceroy, were going on evening trip by walk. One person was just beside the road, was begging. Somebody told to that Viceroy and Postmaster General, you see, sir, he is our postal department official. After retirement, he is begging. He is having no security, no safety to him and his family because he was retired and died.
Oh, no.
So he is having no security, no safety. So then they told, and that Viceroy and Postmaster General was about to think it. We want to do some job, some security to our officials. After a long vision, they could trace one scheme, that is postal life insurance, only for the postal people. Those who are working in postal department, to them this scheme was started. From among the salary, they used to take some half paisa, 1 paisa like that from their salary as a premium of policy. So it was started in such a way. After that, it was if due to some emergency or risk anything, if anyone lost his life, that secures the family of the postal employee. So he has made a plan of that way and started this postal life insurance scheme, and it was driven in such a way that is the wonderful job he started and revolution in the postal segment. After some years, many people, other department also, they were raised question and made government to make available that facility to the other employees also. So like that it has been making amendments and giving this facility to other departmental officials also, and this postal life insurance was broadly made to all employees, all government employees. Afterwards, it was given the facility to other segments also. Now recently, up to this, it was given to even entrepreneurs, softwares, degree holders in the extended
Client.
line. So recently, other extended clientele was also given recently. So in that way, it is the best policy, postal life insurance, among the other insurance policies. Here, the quotation of this policy, PLI itself, low premium, high bonus. If you take any policy, the premium will be very less. The bonus is high. And you can see this policy can be best policy among other all policies of any private sector or public sector, in my view. And you can take it as challenge that this is the best one.
Sir, can you please explain how you are motivating your sales force, sir?
Simple, sir. It is nothing but self motivation. Actually, I am having right from the beginning the attitude of positivity. So because of that, I used to laugh and do things only taking as positive. When you are positive, nothing will come negative to you. Right? Always be positive and optimistic. If you are positive and optimistic, nothing is impossible and you can do wonders. When one should like to do anything, he can do wonders because God has given that power to the human being only to do that job. For example, when one would like to decide to do anything, he can do miracles. You take the examples. There are many examples in history, Ramayana, Mahabharata. You see what is Valmiki? He is once upon a time a cruel person. But what he has done after making himself and devoted to some extent, to that extent that he has written the life history of Ramayana, Valmiki. So that is the power of human being. God has given me, not only me, to every human being, that he can do wonders with the brain and submission. He may elevate his position from that level to that level. And I want to elevate his position not only to that, but also to the maximum. So first he has to have the dream, goal, enthusiasm, and I want to inculcate that habit in that person so that he may see himself what is he, what was he, and what is he, what he will be. Right? Unless you make that choice in him, it will be nothing. So there should be some encouragement to the person according to his position, his caliber, his confidence. Somewhere there will be caliber, but they may not be having that capacity to elevate themselves from that level to high. So we have to make sure that fellow, you are having that capacity to build yourself to top. Others also. Otherwise you can't survive.
We must be ready always to learn something.
Yes,
That is the attitude. If you have that sort of attitude, we can win. We can learn anything.
For your information, my son is telling, even after your retirement, you can earn more, Papa. than this one. If you come to our private companies, for your knowledge, for your experience in Excel, Word, computer, laptop, oh, we are not having that much knowledge what we are having. So you will be given more than 1 lakh rupees if you come and he is telling.
You will be competition for them.